Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a practice 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we are going to select the XY plane. Click on XY plane. Take the circle command and from here take the center point and make a circle of diameter 28 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude command and here we will define the length of extrude. So here the distance of extrude will be 35 mm and this extrude will be carried from mid plane. So we will click on symmetric and press OK. Okay. Now go to origin. Now we are going to select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Take the circle command and here we are going to take a circle of diameter 15 mm. Okay. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now we are able to see the center point. Go to sketch again, take dimensions, click center point of circle and this center point here. Define this dimension here as 26 mm. Go to the vertical constraint. Okay, here we will select the horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. Okay, now this is fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. Here also we are going to take the symmetric extrude. The distance of extrude will be 20 mm and press OK. Okay. Now we will remain in this wireframe. Go to 2D sketch once again and select the YZ plane. Now here go to line command. Now we are going to make the rib profiles. So here make one profile and take here, select here and make it till here. Okay, escape. Now to constrain this, go to dimension. From this top edge or select this point and we'll select this. Okay, it is not equal to select this. So go to line, make a line over here. Okay, now go to dimension. From this top, this will be at a distance of 2 mm. Okay, go to tangent constraint, select this circle, select this line. Similarly, select this circle, select this line. Okay, now this is constraint. Now here, go to line command, select this and join till here. Escape. So here we have an extra line. So go to trim this extra line. Okay, so this will be a close profile now. Escape. Select this middle line, make it construction. Now finish sketch. Okay, go to dimension, define this, go to view, visual style, shade it with edges. So we have selected this profile. Okay, we have taken a slightly inside profile, this flat profile, so as the matching with this bottom circle will be properly. Okay, go to symmetric and here the dimension will be of 5 mm. Now press OK. Now you can see the matching is proper. Now similarly we are going to make the ribs this side as well. For this we will select the XY plane, go to create sketch, go to line command, select this edge, select this point, select this edge, select here. Escape. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch again. Now here go to tangent constraint. Select this line, select this circle, select this line, select this circle. Okay. Escape. Now here drag this upward. Go to line command. Select this point and select this point. Similarly, select this point and select this point. Now here we can see we have a closed profile. Okay, escape. You can hide this yellow profile. Select this, make it construction. Select this, make it construction. Select this, make it construction. So here only this profile will be left. Go to 3D model, take extrude, take symmetric extrude of 5 mm. So we have already taken 5 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here, as we have done, go to visual style, shaded with edges. We have not taken this profile inside this circle. Okay. So due to this edge has been created over here. So to correct this, double click, go to sketch 4. Here, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, line command, make a line here and till here and one here, joining profile. Go to dimension, define this dimension here 2 mm, finish sketch, double click extrude 4, go to profile selection and select this profile. Okay, press OK. Now go to visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now you can see the joining profile over here. Okay, now we are going to cut the holes. Go to 3D model, go to sketch, select this face, take circle command and make a circle over here of dia 18, finish sketch, go to extrude and here flip the direction and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut over here. Press OK. Similarly, select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command once again. Here select the center point, make a circle of diameter 9, go to 3D model, take extrude, flip the direction, rotate and here also we will take all. So this will also be a through cut. Okay. Now here go to chamfer command. Here we are going to take a chamfer of 1 mm. Select this corner, rotate, select this and select this. Press OK. Now go to home. So this will be the final. Now here we will define the appearance. I have taken chrome polished. Okay. So this will be the final output of this part. So this was all for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.